Before you install your Brady LED line projector, there are some important things you need to consider when selecting a mounting location. Choose an area with reasonable airflow, that's clear of flammable materials, and has access to a standard power source. It's best to mount the projector centered above the projector line. Be sure the mounting structure can hold about 10 times the weight of the projector. Next, consider your mounting height and lens angle. These are the two biggest impacts on the appearance of your projected lines. In general, the higher the projector is from the floor, the longer the line. The wider the lens angle, the longer the line. The shorter the line, the brighter it will be. For additional guidance, reach out to Brady Support or your local sales rep. Begin by attaching the yoke to the fixture using the provided hardware. Then, mount the fixture into position using your preferred method. Always install a safety cable, anchoring the projector to the mounting structure. Plug the projector in and set the position of your line. If the blinder panels are needed, attach them to the holes on the side of the lens using the provided hardware. Bend the panels to adjust the length of the line. For additional support, reach out to Brady today.